Hello, this is a video response for Moses McCorney, the second video today for him. And well, in his previous video, Moses talks about keeping track of your language, for example, recording yourself and then upload the video to YouTube. And yes, I think that this technique is very useful because you can see how you are progressing with your language, in the language that you are learning. I'm doing that, and well, it's funny because you can see how you are improving, for example, your pronunciation. In the beginning I had a video about 10 years, no, not 10 years, 10 months ago or something like that, and I used to pronounce YouTube like YouTube. So it's, to me now it's very funny, and I started to get comments from people telling me, no, it's not YouTube, it's YouTube. But I thought that I was doing well. It was the way to pronounce YouTube. So it's funny, and yeah, sometimes you think that a lot of people are going to criticize your skills, but it's normal. To me, it doesn't matter, because I want to get good feedback from natives. For example, they can tell me that I'm doing well, but I need to improve in some areas. So to me it's very useful, and I'm still doing. For example, now I am recording a video in English. Obviously it's not my native language. I am learning English. I'm still learning English, and I feel that I need to improve a lot in many areas, because I need more vocabulary to improve my pronunciation. But anyway, I am having fun with that, and this is what is important to me. So I think it's pretty much what I wanted to say about that, and see you next time. Bye.